hope you all are doing well. So my today's recipe is marble cakes recipe, and there's something special for you all at the end. It's a kind of surprise, so if you want to see the surprise, you have to watch my full video. So like my video, share my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye. This recipe is not mine. This cake is actually baked by my younger brother. So let us find out how he bakes the cake. So as we are watching the recipe, I'll share something special with you all about my brother. So if you all are interested, please stay tuned. So in my family we are 3 siblings and my brother is the youngest one. He's younger to me by 2 years and he's a born chef. He actually cooks better than both of us. So let me share something with you all about us when we were young. So I have no recalling of the time he was born, as I was too young to remember anything. But as young dopes, we used to fight like cats and dogs, like a very bad fight. We used to have physical fight, verbal fight, anything you can name it. We always used to measure our heights, like who is taller, who is shorter. Many people even thought we were twins. So those memories will always bring a smile on our face. But as I am far away now, I know he misses me a lot. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned because there's a surprise for you all after this.